Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Car Mad Dad. You joined me post visit to Royal Steering Wheels in Aylesbury. Been there this morning, had a great morning sort of meeting the guys, learning about what they do and getting the finished product done. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to take you backwards to take you forwards. So first off, here's how my morning went. I'll see you in a bit. Morning everyone, you join me on a very rare day to myself. Kids are with the grandparents, wife's away with her friends, so a bit of spare time in the M2 and I'm actually off to see the guys at Royal Steering Wheels to get some alcantara. I'll show you a bit about that today, what I get up to. I'm currently sat in a little bit of traffic. Hopefully I'll show you a bit of behind the scenes with Jack. Got about 90 odd miles ahead of me, so yeah, I'll catch up with you in a bit. Coffee, a ball, almonds, go.
Prepare to turn left.
Haven't even started driving, you bossy lady.
Everybody do a chick choice, probably about these little dudes at this point.
You know, this car isn't as bad at the motorway as what I thought it might be. It's 70 mile an hour cruise control, uphill on 45 to the gallon. As it sits here right now, I think, you know, if there was a little bonus to the DCT over the manual, it's fine. But then if you do want to sort of overtake someone, it does that with relative ease, to say the least.
Okay, gears, number 2, yeah, that's all good.
Right, so you join us back in the M2. Jack and the guys at Royal Steering Wheels have been absolutely immense, and I've got to tell you, I don't know if the film will do this justice, but this wheel looks incredible. Can't wait to drive it home. So here we go, mega excited. Huge thanks, just while I think about it before I pull off, to Jack, Josh as well today, who's BMW Choice M2355 if you're looking up on Instagram. And yeah, well worth a look. Top group of people, really professional, done the job as and when they said they would, for the amount they said they would, and the finish is quality. So yep, I'll feed back in a bit. Thanks very much to the guys at Royal Steering Wheels, and I'll yeah, let's go from there. Let's get driving. I might have already said it, so I apologise if I have. Full Alcantara, blue line in the middle, M stitching all the way around, and fitted was £180. I think that's immense value. If you consider that if I wanted to buy the M steering wheel from BMW directly, that would be in excess of £500 before they fitted it. So I think the value speaks for itself. It's just a material. I know it's only Alcantara, but it feels fantastic. They had lots of other cars there while I was there as well. So there was a gentleman having his Range Rover done. There was another gentleman having his 4th BMW done in as many sort of years. He's been back and back and back. A M3 V8 that had just showed up to have that done. Gentleman with an R8, the V8 convertible, and he just had like full Alcantara, very simple, but it looked really smart in the white Audi. I think hopefully I've got a clip of that you can see. So yeah, they can do any car. I'll put a link for the website below. So obviously, if you want to have a look yourselves, I would strongly urge you to. They do exactly what they say on the tin. They were fantastic. I Hope you've enjoyed the video. If you have, like, subscribe. Look forward to getting some more content up soon. Watch this space. Cheers. Oh, she goes.